toms out across this dirt field. Saw them from the road. They're working away back over this way, so we're gonna try and get all the way down this fence row, try and get in front of them, see if we can't call one of them over to us now. Right there. Probably saw that over here. We came up through all the way across the field here. We got at least 2 strutters, a couple of hens we spotted. We're gonna try and get back down through the woods here, get around them, get in front. They should be working in this plowed field with everything being so high this time of year. .410, baby, getting it done. Let the old Tristar bark. Love it. At 7 yards. Oh, you can't write it up any better than that. Up close and personal. Oh man, that's all it takes. Nice little rope going on here. Nice 2-year-old bird. Not the biggest spurs, but hey, any bird with a 410. Any bird with a 410, that's a good bird. Getting them in close. 3/4 inch spurs. Nice 8-inch beard. Not the biggest bird ever, but nice. Hey, nice full fan here. Nice 2-year-old tom. Love it when a plan comes together. So today, kind of going out, we're looking for morel mushrooms, but kind of knowing in the back of my mind we're gonna find a turkey. Found a big bird on the way over, called James, said, hey, get over here. I kind of know the plan, what's going on. So we made it all the way back. Called a couple times, couldn't hear him, made a couple more calls. 1 gobble from him, and what, 300 yards? Straight on a rope. Ran a rope, came right into the decoy, the old killer bee. Got him in, 7 yards, 410, can't stop the flop, baby. Dumped him.